guys, it's Jenna and welcome to my sweet world, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime, food inspired slime. So here is one of my food inspired slimes. I got only one. So here's one of them, and it's an egg. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make a lettuce one. So yeah, let's get started. What you'll need is some slime. I'm using green slime. You need green slime. Some beads. You'll need green beads. A container to mix in. And any kind of oil. I'm using baby oil. So first you want to take your container. You want to add a little amount of baby oil to it. So let's add. I'm not going to make a lot, so that's enough. Next you want to add your beads. I'm just going to put these two beads. So let's put a bit of this. I don't want a lot of beads, so yeah, put some of this beads in there. Okay. Next, we're gonna add some slime. Okay, I'm just gonna add like this amount, or let's add this amount, like that. Let's put this aside. And also, sorry, I forgot to tell you, you need something to mix with. So now you want to mix with. So a bit like that. Then you want to knead it a few times. And why do we use baby oil or water? It makes our skin smooth while we're playing with it. And it makes it softer to play with it. Yeah, I'm gonna come back when I finish kneading it. Okay, I've done kneading it, so here it is. It makes your skin so smooth and moistured. And as you can see, it has a little bit of beads there. And this time the beads doesn't fall. And it's not sticky, but if your slime is sticky, then you're gonna add a bit more slime to the mixture. Do you get what I mean? Like if your mixture, this gets so sticky, you're gonna add more slime to it so it's getting less sticky. Because maybe you added a lot of oil to it, baby oil. So yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to do next for you guys. So, peace out, guys. Bye.